abusuafoɔ mekyerɛkyerɛ biara ɛma obi akɔ aba ɛde ba by Grace TV so megye di sɛ twɛdi ampa onyankopɔn atom abusua obiara ho yɛ yɛhyia bi sɛ yɛakyɛ nyame adom yɛhyia yɛba bɛdi nkɔmmɔ kakraa bi na afei agya nyankopɔn ho yɛ mmɔbɔ ada foforɔ asɛ ahyia mu biom na yɛatoa so nenɛ yɛbɛtwe nyinaa yɛ ho adwene asi nsɛm baako mmienu bi so ansa na abusua deɛ aka bia nso atoa so na nsɛm a yɛbɛtwe nyinaa yɛ ho adwene asi so ɛfa celebration of life a ɛkɔɔ so in Anna of Yemame Akosia Sewa. And then after the celebration of life, mothers are rising and somehow do a free mobile. And in Samoa, Yemame no krata or the betuja, ye betu your boss. Na ye ura san siminim. The dick have a boss kaka, but some key points be your wabusia. Was he in a to your boss near Tnaso? Near tree in I one drain sisu. Near Dihon Kobusa asu. Sana was a name of Bibana. Aso anima bi wɔ hɔ bi a ɛnyɛ ne kwan so anima bi wɔ hɔ bi a mesremeka akyia wɔ nima bi mu kakra no ɛdeɛ na mompo ɛna yɛbɛtumi atu na aboa ama saa nsɛm no nyinaa to atwa ɛno nti na nyankopɔn twɛdi ampa yɛ adom a yɛhyia sabre on by Grace TV so yɛdi nkɔmmɔ kakra bi because ɛbrɛkɔ di nkɔmmɔ ketewa bi na yɛbɛdi yɛkyerɛ yɛ adwene wie na ma kwan adɔ comment ba near the show na abewie the as usual Mr. Sobe come ho na wa like the show na fe wa share my friends when you be ahwe na do adwen traba na bibia aya sunje yin na yin said the medical akasa na no memenda na okọ enkran celebration of life for your mama akoso asewa e course our University of Ghana Legon park bi yeah na park adjacent the sports stadium ho and the Radin Yankopon who yam no be a celebration of life, of course, my mamma Akosia Sewa as we do quite so. Now, after celebration of life, and some baby, I was young, and then swims as our problem, not our baby, and says, I mean, numbers no. This will be our bus not Oshamia, not our comment. No, was it be a bar out a month for one because we share her, it shows a zero, signal it shows zero, but I don't know if someone is watching right now and see. Say obi hwa ka best say or me comment na me hu say bia the person is watching no say na no technical way na buy na YouTube for na a technical force na be okay and I think say bia numbers na show yes numbers na show right now e wo other phones na so okay yes nti yen hwe nsem bi o ha say enye bufu enye ntokwa but me bisa question ba ko pe question ya me be bisa na say mama akoso asewa and then wow show me be okay Mate koku abna you're welcome wow show me be hwenyame anim na hwe wakoma mu din na bisa ho say Anita Coleman okay because it shows a zero so I was wondering what's wrong okay me that's a pass my notification tenase fili obi anchen wow hwe me na okokom kwhye ba bi din na bisa ho say maame no bone bai na waye ebisa ho sɛ ye maame akoso asewa bɔne bɛyi na wayɛ Ghana fo bi no bɔne bɛyi na wayɛ nipa bi no afei bɔne bɛyi na sebi wayɛ ti ɔman mu mpanyifo bi no yɛ nti nneɛma bi a asisi ye bi anka on a normal day ko ni kwan sisi no akɔba ne saa na before sɛ mɛba ne nsɛm na ɔbɛka yɛ wɔ ne krataa mu kyerɛkyerɛ nsɛm no yɛnka yɛ ho ɛnano memenda igna ne won kran menka asɛm we bikoduru dwumadi na ase ne nya nhyase on sɛ yakodu ntem kakra yakodu an ye nya nhyase na ye gather report bi sɛ abusuatie nie even the day before Saturday which was the Friday no late in the night sebi ye man yi mu mpanyufo bi anase o man yi mu panyini bi ɛkɔ park ya omo sisi na omo di dwumadie ni wo so se ompene e ma dwumadie ni maso na mpoku asanye saade a omo ntutu omo mfidie I mean sabe on say wo di dwumadie a be prepare wo be hyehyɛ wo fidie microphone ya de odini na begu akoma na dwumadie na hyase na bibia yɛ kama you could do what that day no which is really down upon and I may gather report bi a ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ adeɛ bɛkye me nda ma dwumadi no akɔ so bɛyɛ sɛ no nduo baabi no sɛ bɛyɛ man Ghana yɛtumi ɔman no mu panyin paa panyin mu baako ɛkɔ park ne so ɔkɔɛ n'asɛm a ɔka kyerɛ ɔmo nyinaa ne sɛ ɛni kwan sɛ dwumadie no kɔ so na ɔmpene ma dwumadie no ma so nti saa adeɛ a ɔmo ntutu ɔmo mfidie ɛne ɔmo bibia no ɔmo fɛn firi hɔ because there is no way a ɔno panyin no ɔbɛma kwan ama celebration of life in honor of yɛ maame akɔso asɛwa akɔ so na panyin no ɔmbusa no wɔntumi ankyerɛm deɛ nti a ɔmo anyama so deɛ ba ɔse ɛni kwan sɛ ba so because ɛba so a ɛbɛha adwene ne ansɛm baako mmienu bi nti kyinkyina a ɔmo mpene ma ne ma so nti even that Friday night no as in late in the night ɛbɛ adeɛ bɛkye Saturday no how ne amane a ɔmo fam na nya asɛm ketewa aside panyin a ɛm sɛ yɛman no mu mpanyinfoɔ baako ɔkɔɔ yɛ sɛ ɔmpene ma dwumadie ne ma so ɔmo ti ɔmo fidie mfiri hɔ no afei bisa gada report bi koraa sɛ ɛm sɛ that day na adeɛ bɛkye no ɛm sɛ bambɔfoɔ mpanyinfoɔ bi nso baa hɔ yɛ ɔmo baayɛ ɔmo nso ɔmo asɛm a ɔmo ka ne sɛ ɔmo mpene ma celebration of life in honor of yɛ maame akɔso asɛwa no ɔmo mpene ma ne ma so ɛyɛ saa da no which was the Saturday no let's not forget sɛ wei yɛ ne yɛ fiada a adeɛ bɛkye me nda ma dwumadie no akɔ so ɛyɛ fiada a meka sɛ sɛ obi ba dwumadie no bia obi kora wi ɔfiri Kumasi akɔ akɔdu nkran hɔ obi wie deɛ ɔmo ofiri aburokyire ba deɛ bebree ɔmo nyinaa ɔmo ofiri aburokyire aba abɛduru yɛ akyɛ sɛ I mean everything was set a ɔmo hwɛ ne sɛ brɛbrɛ so na ɔmo nyinaa akɔ I mean with one heart and one way na ɔmo akɔ tare dwumadie no akyɛ ma ebi akɔ so no late in the night Friday na adeɛ kyɛ me nda no nsɛm wo nyinaa sisi nsɛm wo nyinaa kɔ so ɛma akyɛ sɛ mpanyinfoɔ ahodoɔ sɛ deɛ medika ka kyerɛ sɛ yɛkɔdoɔ na yɛgada asa report no sɛ panyin bi nipa a ɔde report no wɔsɛ kwabena nyɛ sɛ obi sie me se biribi nti bia mentimi mfa panyin kɔ di ntodwa but ɔpanyin no ba hɔ sɛ ɔma kwan ɛma celebration of life ne ma so kí ɔmo tutu mfidie ne mfiri hɔ ɛno wɔkyi na medika ka sɛ bambɔfoɔ nso bambɔfoɔ binom nso ba hɔ yɛ a ɔmo ba ɔmo asɛm a ɔmo bɛka nyinaa ne sɛ ɔmo mpene ma dwumadie ne ma so abusua ana na baa na ba obi ambusa sɛ adɛ enough is enough bɔne bɛya na maame akɔso asɛwa sɛbio sɛ mpo bɔne bi wɔ hɔ a agyina na pɔ apɔtɛ bɔne bɛya na maame akɔso asɛwa wayɛ nipa bi wɔ Ghana ha anaasɛ bɔne bɛya na maame akɔso asɛwa wayɛ anaa yɛ maame akɔso asɛwa deɛ ɔnyɛ Ghana ni anaa apoma sika ameba nnura amebɛduru nnura yɛ maame akɔso asɛwa ɔno deɛ ɔnyɛ Ghana ni anaa ya Ghana mmerɛ a wɔsɛ bɔ yɛ nyina ho ban ɔno deɛ mmɔ ne ho ban bi anaa nti sɛ mpo biribi mpo na adɔfoɔ se kwabena anaasɛ biribi mpo na adɔfoɔ se yɛbɛyɛ celebration of life ɛde ahyɛ maame no animuonyam a na nka ne bɔne ne sɛ apoma nyame adom weekend no yɛ fine paa sɛ nso ɔsɔ weekend no biribi ayɛ kama ka ne bɔne ne sɛ bɛdu baabi sɛ at the dying minute adwumadie no bɛkɔ so no nipa bi ɛbɛba sɛ sɛbi ma report yɛkɔte yɛn sɛ papa baako ado ɛpɛn ne wɔ ɔman mu na ɔbɛka sɛ ɔmpɛn ma dwumadie ne ma so nti ɔmo ntutu ɔmo fidie na ɔmo fɛn firi ɔno mɔkɔ bɔne a maame akɔso asɛ a wayɛ wɔ Ghana ha ne sɛ because it has do nti nsɛm bi sɛ ya na ɛkɔ so na gya yɛbɛkyerɛ adwe wɔn ho a na yɛ taage yɛ sɛ kwabena support maame akɔso asɛ wa no any case sɛm kame support no kɔ ɛnyɛ bɔne but me nti ma di atum sɛ me support no saa na mmom yɛn nyinaa we align with her because you feel sɛ pɛpɛpɛ yɛ bi ɛyɛ atɔkyema wɔ baabi and that's why I sympathize with her. However, that doesn't mean say I mean I don't me look down on someone as a baby sir. And I no correct bibi nti me nya me beto job bibi di etimase. What I say, but the pakoni aban mu panyin. We go do our about trim and say bra, but do this but I mean cast him cho. Na onim bra ya bre. Simple ade e be chia ma dwumadi na koso no. Asumasi e ba ha. Man mbese me cancel no bebre but me tina me de eye nte woni adi nkomo se ye ma me akoso asewa bone ben na waye Ghana fo bi no bone ben na waye tia o man Ghana bone ben na waye tia ye man mu mpanyimfo bi no Yenti was say, Yama some crying ye yakaka. Because it's as though there is an attempt to say, you have a bona brand soon, sabi abibu. Which shouldn't be the case. And no nanchen. Until the Mamin Church and Mukran Congo, until we Kaya, Sada no Jumedi no Saturday. A boy could draw on bell 11 walk na. On say, no Mugusu CC. Amugusu share, I mean, tent no near the Uncunya, now if you call them session, because on the baby crossy, how much I didn't Jumedi, but so, maybe in Danamat now, I'm in the nothing number. Who blame one when ye? Because report I gathered and said the night before Saturday, no, and then Yamil Kwana Yatum. And then Yamena Bema, a crime will be a Jumadi basso. Because what people were looking for, they said, and then that's the question I'm asking. Say, at the Yama Miakosha, Bonne Ben, why you need Pebi? Bonne Ben, why you're Ghana? And I want you on your Ghana. Yanti, at the be a bit more, I mean, any dear crano. A bit far, it never for honey, a man, you in them. The Mamiakosha say, Enna, celebration of life. Ebusuafo bi si celebrate no celebrate you to legal wise for say mama wasem ya no we adwent ye celebrate you na ka ye dey amanfo ni on birthday celebrate you on da ebinumu en celebrate you mama no mom papa no na no say the obi kura ko school wi a why graduation obi kura ko school why graduation and graduation ani pan is a form of celebration and in Ghana born yan say yeah be kwa ko ju level bi say oman ye man ya ye wo mi penni ba ko be ko bi say on pneuma celebration of life na maso enti omututu ni ama na mo fa mfiri onko and men kan fa ntutu aso boa obe kai mpo a originally on say na location ya Independence Square emechi nze ko ba so afi Independence Square kwa omo enya nko na se enya fa ma wo eno nko da nchen afi bi to jakra se ko University of Ghana Legon stadium wa kasa afi enzo nsem bebre na o say afi the final resort na o say University of Ghana Legon Park so Emma that Saturday character bi bene na mountain so say University of Ghana for church say omo mpani omo maji omo sika ma yi bianum say trefo bi report say University of Ghana for sake just say a day yes you say na court was say celebration of life for that lumba omo twin so till 23rd of April and ma bana for my translation no problem court kasa obi e need ma court so there wasn't any celebration for that lumba celebration for Mama Akosu Asewa it is simple celebration for Mama Akosu Asewa na the born you be say yeah anti was a could do a level be say baby mpo mbenya di dwumadie no yeah ma omo kwan and to back that Friday at the Saturday na your live video and I'm for busa kwabena where's the location kwabena location ya himfa ya kwan na me person de betu jakra because I'm a reporter na ya gadani ade na e hadwen reporter na ya gadano na it was nothing to write home about and ye hwen sem we nyina ne awro sem ne ade akoso nyina ha we na ejuwe bi a me kwabena wosu amete he me akwada ketewa mi sai ene ye bi adofo binum ohwen sem we din so ene maame no na sem ye me ya intizade a me sympathize with her intizade ene menye homobro bi dia maame no because minima di nti e wose basa because anka venue ba ko pe otwe no ne character no ba character no zim ba mi ense bo obo so a me sa be highlight na adwen abaso yi ate and the Saturday no you say a ball bears at 12 na gusu ya preparations so ho a ene kwan see blame we omo because you know omo fam the night before say occasion babas no twedi ampo nyankopon kwa nene and minimum say na say adofo bi say omo celebrate Mama Akosu Asewa no omo ya na bema ewiase abawie yo say na I don't know odwen ho a onti ase omo yenye homobro man ya ni nya temama ya ho na yina ye fa pepepe ye entna na mu ekoba se ye nyina ye hoi na ye dobi atan bi pepepe ye bi ye de be no ju asomasi ana obentin so a na enam se ya asomasi ana obentin ti na nyoma eko ha adwen a emwa Emwa because minim say be betimi aboa me dia e de bone a na maame akosua se wa waye ye nti was wo fa sansem wo nyina and aya na de man ye me yakwa ne say afei ye nuanom na ye ni adofo ye nya bi ye say twen ho esere maame no kan sem be fa and this bia o mu videos across so I mean despite 4 hours of the preparations no everything was on point. Well, the character no can be ha or sa part no himfa. Hwe abuja tedi. Me ba be kan ho kaka. 4 hours of the sabi onya kwan the preparations no. Still e mo na bem. Won we dia akoma pata echi no. E mo obi abem. Won mo to aso konkoden. E ma adwumadie no it was successful. Look at the platform on mountain here any ade said obsession share it was just 4 hours so. But in Sranke Nyamedin say anye basa. In Sranke Nyamedin say boni bia ma nyame adom e ko so asomdwe kwan so ewie yi say the twedi ampo Nyankopon na akato. Enti say bi obi ka say oh ena enti dia na mami eni adof mami adofo aka say oh I was on celebration de man na ye papa tadum ba yi okumase ya no anye papa ne ade ena oh ti dem nsema mo kan na de mutimi ye ni abusua mami nka bi njo say 4 hours. 4 hours on the prepare for celebration of life now. Because of back and forth. Yam penny, when you say, Mundraha, any idea, of course, you know. And when you don't really 9 pay. And this yes, I do my dear. It will be aside be beyond for be beyond to chain. Yen for be beyond to chain. Don't really 9. Let's say, Unya san numbers way mumbe tawachia. Nana bina. Oh, in also, Gobana, me and Akokram, ain't me that never. Say yaw never and also na bet na bibia wako de mama Margaret yes Helena Jane yasam ketwa so oh na wow oba pa say adwuma mboko de e de nyame ase say wa mo bi adwuma so ndwem so it is na 4 hours so 4 hours and on the SCC University of Ghana Park and so 4 hours on to the organizer ma adofo e fiji achichiri bench e ba beta o machi dia mesre mo mo yesu to bo enko park and so because we crash as here castle and until the omtimi ye any and I said na o maka that lumba ye course o kuma se once when the omtimi no busia de bia challenges ne o mo e coin report ye ko gada ho no e bia wona wo fa mu a anka untimi nye de e course no bi community say even though that lumba ye course o kuma se na injunction edaso yes I understand I accept that fact however obiani wa okọ obiani wa okọ park and so I mean okọ Heroes Park I catch them say and more nye preparation that it was free will yeah mo be kai say impo that day on a Thursday night in Heroes Park Stadium e bra na mo ye preparations and ye twa amfini e de chairman Simon obi ehun de ekoso enti sabi even with injunction pending injunction na court abra na kuma say yin bekoso obi anko heke obi ase ompeni mo obi anya preparation so obi anya ne free will ema na montu bia no person to bia preparations bia no person we bia oye ema oye yanso kokowie however the situation wasn't like that it was celebration of life for mama akosu ase we cause one crime and then anya some kito oh enti I don't know sometimes oh udi no pe amount for nsem wachi a e bia nsem wo be ka se won ka bi but no crap and say me de me nu ba bia wa brapom but the day I say a shen some work also. But now see an say why would such a thing even happen? Me just had the maybe one I any more and I said, dear. Missing you will be seen, you could draw me, you know, be always bra. Now they must auto report this nonsense way. Now, say this in your film. Now, or yes, a blepum class, where you have a cassa, you version, I don't know, say, I'm not doing sign. So, young penny, but you may be also. Since now, I want to toot your ma. Just say, oh, and you carry cross a bay, did your media, so there's a 10:30. So I've been off in I mean, you're in a boat, and I see a drop in move from a fear call, baby, I won't have VIP buses, no quacker. Until that I near drew around, I think, Ditchem so area, baby. And I'm the check around my second mind. I think program the assembly beche na because most say media no so videos bi na so say gofo bi mpanimfo bi akọ na say gofo bi akọ so mo mpanim adwumadi ne maso ne ade ti afina bibiri na kwa ye ntanta And me, I know very well for a fact, you only probably be they were ready and determined to come to the celebration of life. However, sans and some idea course no or bakra na wofoɔ ne maame and papa be catch and say, oh, me ha ho menko because I mean sensem were cheni idea. And I don't know whether it was a deliberate ploy, say be a numbers no so better, and I say for best reasons known to whoever was involved. And which is very sad. Maame no bone ben away. And after all this, na fe ebi kura sorry kasa tia maame no say na adwuma ni kwan so yes na ebi kura se maame no sabio ebi kura se maame no ni brade. Na ni brade o kwan be so. Obi a celebration of life just na ni brade. And yes one na yes obi o. Na don't force there be a celebrate too. Ewo onko den a okon ye ewo BPM. What is wrong with it? So any problem with celebration of life at maame akosia so aye ma dia. Any ebusua what celebration be amen ware because our celebration or you are celebrating your union now they are saying yamisa. Many graduation you go school we are many graduation be a want to so when your promotion with you don't celebrate because if you have a problem with celebrating a woman sabi wa konkode dia boa ama yigina yenya na so mfaso. What is wrong with it? To the point say 4 venues na krata na otwe no ma me hwe Adisafo akwaba me akra yes I don't know taking YouTube for nothing say almost system no do be na jam kakra until some come start life na bisa I say I for my feedback because na me nya notification say nipa I mean zero na na hwe until later I'm for comment ya muza afia show wa say on 132 na hwe yes 132 na hwe but even in my system na I show say 41 and I think say YouTube for do be say yeah, na mfidi dia na agye o nsem so but yenya abotre ne kata no kan asem no wa venues a wodo na ebusua maame no celebration no venues a wodo na and you reject you almost ye mamu nye wo ho adwadum just say I just don't understand me ebia wa wo hwe me so wonni die nti etesa ewia botimi afrem na wa chi mache me who be da if you bla me ba asase so me akwada me ni do ba bia. But me won't be that. And that's why some of us yet not see any dream. There be with the Sebi, Yamia my platform kitway. Yeah, Yamina curriculum kakra my. You can say uncle baby and so platform kitway Yamia who you're born one doing on Konya one day. You make a be being found. I was more like if you know me question why Mr. Ramadaroma. You make a be being found. Yes, simple for some mail. Because I said, it will be cry. I quite say, as my man, on your gun and me. In Tiasa, Ghana, mine, no, you know, it's my little man. On the answer on count, on the answer, it's meaning we had the editor. And the editor crown and cover beer because on the Biana, Sabio, Mujani, more answer day. Exactly. I was more like my wife, Mr. Ma. The South likes near 25 pay. So about 27, so more like my wife. Some we are 132, to more like one than coach, Mr. Ma. Why would be unlike him, mommy? Enough is enough. Enough. There goes your man for show. I don't know. Okay. I mean, yeah. When person body be, yeah. I think there was one gather intelligence. There goes a man for show. You might move penny for. You have more fine opportunities than me and your GD or your mind. More fine opportunities that young quada yeah babe will be 2 and more millions of my GD will always not lost. But I could say, I mean, just like how we are made to believe, and just like how we are seeing things, no. So I say, oh, and ye please family, but a family, yeah, more money in car. And now you know, bedroom saying, hey, say, oh, my, to me, only connection be our baby, I was some more, yeah. Because somebody's only connection, only buff, only camera for be our baby. Sabi, obedient for you. Obedient was him. Oh, and any quite say, Bassa. As some way, of course, why a 10 in a team with the other be a church, I don't want to travel you for Kobe action. Exactly, was what observe Saturday, you know. Exactly. And that is why I sabi media may aquara be near to be near giant. Minisika ni dama. but me se nyame se nyame na mo me ho ban no ma hoden nyame ya adom no odom ahode bo me ho ban a the platform ketewa yi ye be koso dia kasa bi e dia nya se bi e kasa dia ma ye maame akoso asewa yes ye be kasa e be favor no because bibia che se ono na nze pepepe ye bi ne nsa nyanka ye enti me kasa na utie me na e bia oni maame akoso asewa fa obehu nze kwabena de ompe efa foforo aka asem na kwabena de abdu bi okasa aso kasa e favor maame akoso asewa sa na wadwen be yo but me dofo nya sa ne tie ye kasa de aprepepe ye dachi asem nti banyinfo si abosoma kotara ya wosu no aya na wosu na wiye yeso koto se oyonko abodwe se ehia na wasenso se odi ho na abo bi butu nia bi so anka se sori ne so ka se sori yeso ye dia fe ne eba ye dia bi amanfo akwantu yi ye nyanko bi da se wo man mu e bi ebusuafo wo man mu ti se ya mompa ya amoa na yenso ye platform kutu ya amfa nkasa ansra mpanyinfo amoa se pepepe ye bekoso abrebi akina bi e bi ameni dama obi ni sika no de atwa fa me so ekse bia me ni dama na bia pepepe ye bia na nka mehia na abo amatibe tumpon na nkoba ne sa and me nyini se no ne oman ya yetire besi nsem we hunti eni pa bebira wo se a oman no kra sesi a wo nsimu biem abrochefo da bia mo fra moka me nua ba ya ofre freedom ahinko na o Germany me refi ni biga ka nyi so ohwe me a ofre me after show no sa frame offer o se bra ensem sesi am afem Ghana abia den kwa se mesi me makwa mo mu si am so the men kasa kuntu hara ni njia na koso da bi kuntu we de hwan ya bekọ na ni enko na chi ti ye besre ye mamu mpanyifo mo ma ye nya ni o ma ne nya ya sa esre mo da roma mo ma ye nya ni o ma ne nya ahwe ho sa mo ma ye nya ni o ma ne nko ese ase efa bi de omo ho hia efa bi de sabi emoja nyina wo mu nti yetimi cassette ya wo sabi o yetimi twifo wo so yetimi eka wo kasa bo hye wo ye wenko ba bia. That is not how we are supposed to build Ghana, mother Ghana. And you can say, son, was your mind Ghana. No, that's the end. No, man, if I say it is very sad. It is very, very sad. So, I have dream because what because I can't that's my main kind is part of American. My main question is, why Becca emotional letter part no American kind. Now, you part to be your cancer. I say, I am fully aware of the immense challenges you endured to make the event a reality. Challenges na make or can on carton be na me bo so. Say, yam pede ma munye dwedi no kra ani kwan say baso wa ha ma me bi mi say be obi epeso kan a. Aha, epeso kan o skin so a. Yam pede ma munye ani kwan say muye dwedi no ha ene ade ensem bebre e bi kra ba munye mfiri wo yesi bambofo mpanyofo bi ba say o chese wo mu tutu mfidie no yam wo munye. At that point in time pa bi say sabi and you man behind the bedi dwuma de ma han ni na wie se nnuane kra no be ya na o ma ya wie ana maka se ebinum efi sunyane rakia no ne won efi techima ne abranche efi techima no ne efi komase efi komase ayi na yakodum kan sa bebre na duru but still yes there be yem pene ma munye and shockingly sa bre no aso yakoso no de binum so won interview ka se dwuma de na ma so da na ba so kura yem from say just say and so ensem no chese abusua odwe bi ho na odi ho nkoma enye o enye odwe ho ase menim se ma na wa fon obi o Ghana ha ena e bia yenim dia menim die ye hwehwe firi maame akoso ase wa sa die bia ma ni che bia de yenyim firi nsem ena me kwa na nchen na after program me kwa sa me video after program yeni ayi nyam so ntwefo bebre na o dwumadi no kwa ankoye ena se o share dwumadi no kwa no chese se o share dwumadi no ne I mean just a decoration. No, my brother, me nyaba, ma me wadaroma. O na ebia de wa fa sa ha mu na don hwere 9 e na wonya de asiesi ho a. Ebia nka ontimi nye de course no. De yesre. Se yenya bia ma yase a, mo ma ye nkobɔ ne kro no. Si enye bi ama ya se a, mo yanko bon ko na maame akoso ase wa. Me se wa ye obi bone. Me kan say ya, onze me kan say ya, obun se na be okwamna o support maame akoso ase wa. Anka me support maame akoso ase wa ko enye bone. However, me chese me se wa me kan nyina ne se me hu ne se pepepe ye bi enhye da ni maame akoso ase wa ni mi yi. Ti na bele bia me nko won me kan. Se bia o gina fa bia, obadwen se akwamna de ye fan won ka bi mfa moye. But enye sanity. And so be kan unyame so no kure pa. It's as though there is a deliberate adie bi ase pepepe ye bi o se maame ni nyamo. Ni nsan kan. And no kwa na nchen ken se hwe. But I say yensan so ema na bidie nyina ehwe na. Da no am kọ na no wokua da akọ tu ase no kọ she 20 depo. Nso no tika no. Na mo fi kọ to am se ye nuanum se dwefo ba akọ de kama to nanim. Enti be hwe maame na na fi me kwa ma ye basa. Ti ne bone pa ne se. Ne bone se odo ni kunu. Ne bone se oja na ni je ni bibia ho. Ema na ni kunu ne ma ho. Ema odo ni kunu. Ema yenya so mfa so ana. Eno ne bone awaye. Ye ntimpa ade be ma na ni je kra. Ade be ma na ni je kra ase ye mpe kwan bi so nyi influence. Ade. Ne krata no ka wo ewa. Yes, na make am say simple. Se me kwabna wusu am tonight. Me support ma me akoso ase wa enye bone. Ense hwe. And however, na ma chi say me hu ni say pepepe ye bi nko so ma no. Ti na da bia mani abere a ya na me kasa. Pepepe ye bi a enko so ma no nti. Ana mani abere a me kasa. Because say say echi o man no aboa nyina na o man na etimi atena mu da achi de a eni kwan se o man ni do bi the time bi I was o man ni do fa na yefa nyina na kefa na yefa nyina bom enti be hwe nyame se ono me kwan ya hode ye be koso asere de platform ya kasa akopem se pepepe ye beba se yi beto yi san se menyi ni se maame akoso ase wa ye obi bone menyi ni se maame akoso ase wa fum obi ana wa fun bi mi just otwe ho a wonte ase and on deserve treatment aye dey man no o say tin you o say medical challenges now come no say ka bi o say from repeated cancellations of venues still ore kra be ho say from repeated cancellations of venues simply because my name Sewa was associated with the program and the other main kind o say also have venues outdoor now also on the first Independence Square Africa Balogun Stadium Free Stadium mobile hen sa cancellation of venues of course nyina no maame akoso ase we trim say enam say obi a event and as a venue owners no say the din maame akoso ase wa na ye dia mana no ma cancel venue no e dia bone nko why bone say bi maame no why bone be say mpo say bi di bi ama na celebration e be dia maame na the din wo mu a yes, any empene emamonya because we celebration of life the mama me akoso ase onye Ghana ni ana the once na di wom de ye be cancel no enti almost na medical cause almost 4 venues ni na ye the mama na afia cancel say no mama akoso ase wa de emamonya say and minim say ye denia say e ba ne say na venue owners na venue o ma venue yi o mo de es ba se maame akosi ase wadwumade no mbaye dia omo mpene mu omonye meaning say go venue na bia no a ompiska abusua se venue bi obi dia na the year programs na dia ono ni sika ni hia no dia ye paramount man no pai ni sika disi obi ni sika na wadwen ho enti dia na be ba venue owners ya omo dia blebe omo dwumade nso omo de omo bia ye e ma han mo ni mo dwumade ona mo tue sika mfa mo ebe ka se ye nyi mo sika mpo se maame akosi ase wadwumade na mba ba ya Masa, simple. Se said the court wakana se sakra na ye fa ne sa said tie na. San se court na kasa. Amenka bibi ncho. Mpanyifo bebi se anka konfo boni asem kan. Se bo maame akoso ya se wa ye konfo boni mpo asebsebi. Abusia tem yo. Se bo maame akoso ya se wa ye konfo boni se de nipa bi no mo kam na akoye ni mpo a. Kaya kamfo ya mamre ye bebu ye se konfo boni a watena yarefo ho ama konfo papa beto no anka yenyi ni mu ho ene de ba ne sei abusiafo ene de ba ne sei mom ye ni no krema yo mom ye ni no krema yo na saa de ye koso yi se empanyufo amwa na pepepe ya ma asumdua ma daachi bi ebia na eba ofie ebia na oso ofie nipa bi ena pepepe ye bi sefata se osi onya ebia na nsa ankoka ebia kira bi mesu mefie nipa bi ena pepepe ye bi sefata se mefie nipa ni nya ebia na wankwankonya nyina na ye ne bre nyina na ye nsem ayeke because nanka menya sure say fan say bi kwa fan say aban ye tie akonya so ye ndesi aban ene bia nka mpp ni bi kwa na ekoye na esi en fama mo de ntiase because ebi o na rival because political opponents nti en fama na different ma me akosia say onya monyoni me say okay bia na tan woga na to about ya fine me say bia sisi akoye to about betu bi tinka amanyofo mpo na bia na mpp tie akonya ndisi to tie akonya so yi ene bia mpp ni bi be yedwumade bi ena aban say o me mpene me en fama de nkamtiase o Mami akosia se onya amanyoni omanyi onse danye bia takum bi odni sika ta amanyoko bi achi na obeka se bi kra o sika tie party bi achi e be tata enti die ya 4 venues ti sa bra no kra no a 4 venues ye dina se yempene ma ne nko edwumati no abusia ti o tna se kra do ho hye ma ne tibia mu a sa bra se kra no ma me o fele because adikia we to ya so be edwumadi ati se ewiase nyina etwen amansan nyina atamu twuku bebre nso aba beju Ghana ha oni fi Kumasi ne ade nyina eba abeta wachi na prekope venues awodo na obi ase ye mfama atei venues awodo na obi ase ye mfama nyi nti sa bre no kwa maame no se bebia no wo asa data adwoa nya asem kito bebia na maame no wo asa that time se kwa na ho siye no edi adwen kwa na maame tim sa bre ni nyina na kata mo chew na kata na say nyina ne say ne dia bata hunti tinya say bia venues na open na enya available na ya available but ne dia bata on asma me akoso asa celebration of life it's now ya premier fama na ban sense na venue ne say omo premier fama ya fama omo celebration of life ma me akoso asa wa. That is what the question we are all supposed to ask ourselves. Say free him fan. Mama ye nyai sa ne ma. Mama ye nkata ye ni boni ntia ye ho sa. Na wiase ye mfa nkọ bebia. Mama ye nkata ye ni enhwe nyame ani. Enye se ye mia ye yonko ama ne ho ache ni sa. Na ade eche kwesi ada ya kotena soro dem, Methodist asoro dem, Presbyterian asoro dem, Anglican asoro dem, Pentecostal asoro dem se ye nyame somfo. Edu memenda ya kotena SD asoro dem, edu fiada ya ko mosque akobom paye. Ye ba bonti e kasa be kasa se ye dogana na but if you are near dan your home, na ye time for be, na ye chef be near ya. Tia mami de off fam na ho kwan ye mo. A day abusuafo. Ensem bi wo ya na ya. Ensem bi wo ya na ya. To the wo mo kra sa na yesa kra dima mami yatem e kan sem money to mami so. Likewise, I don't support obi so be kasa de tia ye mami odobro ni obi di ye mami odobro ni atem. I don't support that. But it's as though I mean as a empempen ya na mami akoso asewa de na dost na metai hama wo. Adentia. Uma hwe ni mabiyo. Me hwe ni mabiye pa na de akoso. Nim sa asase ye tifi ehwe. Ostro nso hwe. Na dachi bi yin na ba ko gina okese nanim. Okese ni bu sai se mre bi asem bi ba sai se wo Ghana mem. Le tumi bi hye onsa de bre bi hye onsa. Aden na wantumi anye de na ese wo ye. Ye bebu amaso twaba. Oma ya nwin se bi asansem wo ekoso ye trasa na hwe. Nyina no. De ye nyina trasa de ye nyina na dachi ye be ko ogwa okese ni yakobu ho akonta. Moma ya fa odontina. Moma ya fa odontina. Na pepepe ye mra. And we cry ya be cry men kabi Sunday no me pese me kan sim bebre Sunday no I mean so obi anu sa was na kra Sunday no cry for instance venue a me hu bi o tsama ni abra me kasa yo venue a ometna ye Thanksgiving, I mean after church somebody Thanksgiving near there me kama ma ha go bedi adanse ba na yim se wada kakra na won de ono ye tunu fo ntinti bia one ma ba no twi so anisa kama ma me tunu fo sa nti abusia I was in Accra kwa kudura is there be and bia I say nti just I saw it ma ko just wa share the katai o ka say venues out do because dear about town tia me kwabena su I'm a living testimony to you because I was in Accra and I saw what happened tina many abla American same way. And some way Americans say, don't you but tell me a many problem bia. And don't you say, oh, permassing be more many problem bia. But the shame is coming Yamason of cray and French the powers that be no more mass museum and America. If I say this now on permassing be more, and you should media me talk the power semper. Even the Sunday, no, I Thanksgiving. A day. Was your old Bianca crowd? Because what could you I feel so there be see just say Mamma Cosiasewa, on you will be a show. And Sammy Maway in Ecosnama, genuine love from the masses. Because but now see I'm sure and some because there be what dear mempe NSC. A dear mempe and they say ye can be Casabuashin yem. A dear mempe and say ye cheerful be so. So because me know ya dear me between false. Me the made me say quite me misses you. Into so dino crema never be any pepe. But we share the cost me na time without number. A crystal clear say I said anamonto bi akoswa and I said bibi koswa. I said yen kama mene. Ye mani nye deje. Which shouldn't be the case. 4 venues. Adianko. Adi adwumadi just dear yanko. And so 4 venues I am from mom na chire omode just 4 hours be prepare. Me say Ghana hampo. Ghana ha. O mani na ko be di Independence Day on a 6 March. Me just was the 4 hours na prepare. Abusia mo me. O mani Ghana etimi. Yeah, more like video no my abusia so Mr. More like mama. So o mani Ghana ha yeti. Me so o mani kwa be di Independence Day a. Habai na o mani the 4 hours na prepare. There be Independence Day your money na de kese a I yeah your money na be hwem no yeah for forest na prepare dwumadi bia ne why dey forest prepare yeah the better to was cc ma bia to na kwam say dey was e ba asna dwumadi ko ne be so come but the course we dey nipa bi ni anamonto bi ni ade ntino just say yeah minimum asna yeah bi no wadwene say yeah na fe obi akra ba mu na ma obi akra ma na ka say o ma me kra na e bia se bi wa pretia na minimum ade. And believe me, you meet me at Kadacho say, a sound sensing way is the same way a bell bass when I did in our crown, it be a numbers now, you know, is an KB, you one brosa. The numbers was very encouraging. Nippon pim by in a videos by Grace TV, Contunchi Media, a bound Dazi TV, Greater One TV, Mama Love TV, I mean, Amsterdam TV GH, channels how do about in a young girl. Aberana na TV near there. The numbers were very encouraging despite the but me would a pass it. And yes, Sana Muntu be near dear course. Ebia can people be I change their course. Well, we nipper be no more commercia. Yes, on the back, you may know I mean, if you're there to me, down. After one who say, and painful be as a nipper be so one penny one young senior man, so when yes, I am because I am sent I see any man as a BBC. And I also said that day, I am that you were in your course. Now announcement want interference you were course when Yamu announcement and now interference you were in the course of Independence Square. It will be Uncle Independence Square. Am I in your independent be a Independence Square? Okodo anya sa te wahwe so. Se kwa ha. Chese. And get Ghana eti. Ghana for your nkofo a ye nipa ya bam tai buntem. Ti nipa ko do Independence Square. Na bibia no bibia nkoso ka se ni bi ko enya amaso. Obeko fi akwa akoda. The people were also people were also online misleading the populace. So they didn't go across Independence Square. Said you could do any BB uncle so na afei wakyerɛ so bi a ɛbɛba so akyire anaasese ne nyinaa akɔ saa da no ne nyinaa te sɛ meyɛ video sɛ adɛn enough is enough maame no wabrɛ ama no yɛ no asomdwie adɛn and the celebration of life kɛkɛ for maame akɔso asɛ wanti no yɛfa nto yɛn so yɛ nada amanfoɔ ne yɛma amanfoɔ nyera kwan yɛma amanfoɔ nkɔ baabi a ɛnyɛ hɔ a ne yɛntie ɔmo nhwɛ so nti ya na yɛdwen yɛ no bi alert nyame te ase nti yɛnyɛ ho mɔborɔ ma yɛn kakrakra ma yɛhu sɛ daabi deɛ bi a maame no yɛde no ɛfa mu no daakye bi ɛnkɔboa ɔman no mpuntuo ne nka nkora no nti yɛbɛsrɛ ɔmo yɛnya ɔdɔ ma yɛn ho na biribi anyɛ bɔkɔ because mehwɛ deɛ kɔɔ so saa da yi ɛba bɛdwu bɛsi adeɛ kɔkɔ so yɛ a ameanim paa de look at the love bra na maame akɔso asɛ wakɔ ɛba dwumadie no ase ɛde bɛsi ɛbra ɔba ɔne ɔbɛdi asa ɔne maame ɔde nom di asa na afɔ ɔbɛda obi ase ɔbɛfo state da obi ase imagine say there is unity, there is love among the various factions anka yɛ yie mu ana yɛ korɔ the better na peace and unity aba it is en kabo mu ne fɛpɛpɛ yɛ biba na obi akoma to ne yam but anamontu yɛ kɔ de nkyɛ sɛ sabio those who can amo pɛpɛpɛ yɛ baby everything shows any pɛpɛpɛ na mo pɛ ti yɛ bɛsrɛ pa yɛ bɛsrɛ mpanyinfoɔ sɛbi yɛ de anim kasa yɛ aka but yɛ bɛsrɛ mpanyinfoɔ sɛ ne die ne abrase kwan so madaroma mmoa no pɛpɛpɛ ni asomdwe mbra because pɛpɛpɛ yɛ ba obi akoma beto ne yɛ asomdwe ba na nsɛm yɛtu atwa ne akɔ and ne kata no me wrap up with that two nsɛm mmienu bi ɔkan na afei yɛmfa ne na mmerɛ I say from repeated cancellations of venues simply because my name Sewa was associated with the program and then this one a better program no ntino ɔmo ade venue kwa mo sɛ yɛmfa mo bi mu musika yɛmpene ɛma Saturday no ara yɛ show na me aba bi frame so kɔna ɔmo de letter kwa ba ya I'm just say if University of Ghana say ya pam ɔmo yɛ mo nyɛ wɔ hɔ ɛna wani ni anom so afa ɛde na mo so ya pam ɔmo ɔsa embassy ebe cancel bebre but you say nyame say medical cancel nyame mo yɛ ho ban ɔno me nkwa ne ahoden saa bra platform keto yɛ wɔ hɔ yi ade bi obe kan ha adwen ana say I mean if you try bi ebetu ogu amanfo ni ade yɛ say nyame so ɔno yɛ no mo yɛ ho ban yɛntimi mfa ntenten nsɛm na bibi anya bɔkɔ because sabi maame akɔso asɛ wa wonko nipa maame akɔso asɛ wa onko fili obi ade ade ni de bebrebe ana amanfo bi ɛha adwen ɛna maka mabu ba akɔ mɛse sɛ mpo te sɛ the court kan no kwa saa mpo na tie ne yɛfa ne saa sɛ court akan because you are bound by law yes sɛ mpo maame akɔso asɛ wa sɛ de amanfo bi pɛsɛ ɔmo kan ma atia sɛ maame akɔso asɛ wa yɛ konfo bɔni mpa tie o ɔyɛ konfo bɔni mpa empanyinfo sɛ konfo bɔni a watena yɛ afɔ ama konfo papa bɛto no yɛnyi ni mu tie ne ade ne yɛyi ni mu ade na sɛ yɛbu na nimtie ade na sɛ bibia yɛ bia sɛ wɔn yɛ wɔn ka ho ni wɔn yɛ nya atwom sɛ no madaroma nti wɔ sɛ ɛno ka ho afei to the difficulties encountered with venue owners and even the police the wɔn a bia how do you wɔn de anompo ɔhaw ne amane wɔn de wɔn fɛ mu ne nya asɛm ketewa na ha adwen pa venue owners wɔn fa ya wɔn because obi wɔ hɔ mo mensa nkezi de hye kron and case they say come. Or why him say whatever they've done to Linda. Linda Bear. Can you come again, Radaroma? Yes, we are actually say Master one needs to write a book someday. No crepa. And see, I think we bring because we yang ebi America also for instance, maybe any be a case. Your mammy say which and I bias and I have no problem with that. But then once I know for a fact, say we are talking and seeking fairness and justice, you can tag me for all you can. And say she, but nyamini mi akoma mu say, yeah, pepepepe nyese bia, mama na pese bia, or kanta will be so and answer there be, but yeah, pepepepe the amen na yo. Na bo pipi aya sunche. So, it's when you now call so venue owners or how many man ya omo yo fe mu because ni din no bata ho ntino. And yam pene mama konko edwumadi a mo pese mo ye. Ni nyina call so. Afei police for nkwa na medical guy security for watch mo say a police for bi mo nkwa ba o say omo mpene mo nye dwumadie no e ma mo ne mo be ham so but you know perseverance or pim for one to what the almost great team boy is not yet and what you cause what the omninas share or say or say that you were able to organize that you were able to reorganize and successfully host such an event within just 4 hours speaks volume about your resilience and determination. Did you really course no I don't really know you 4 hours and I want to set up the place. Emma Jubilee course so come ya. You should tell so for him on what this year by ever chairman or better not say daughters of girls Jesus by for him so being by afe appear to snow any cofinti just a dinner be rob father non one crabbium she any boas na by ever perhaps na by him na by and I'm not saying you film kind or na by it was just 4 hours. I didn't know what's about that. I was young. Think come on about some bit ya. And I'm a day even some at 20 and string yammy. Say why or mum. No way be anya book on my no pay ma. Sans pay a ban mo GDA pass and singing out to be cha. Now boy mass with jabba. Into the stream sex to be a shrimping for. Mama yenny no clear my home. Oh my no ya home. Yenny no clear my yan home, ya near home yan home. Not more my yen said. I said, ye time Fabiachi, yen time Fabiachi. Fabi de beka na kasa bo ahye yam ade bia be fabi ani je bia ne emprema na ema so ebasa it doesn't help the cause of our country and that's why we are pleading with the powers that be so mwa na de bia enye boko me da se pa sa o je pre na ohwe me de de kwabena wusu nyame nka ho na won tenanim encho mo me say hello kwabena yes okay mo bibia boko de enkezi de share afi o wahani media me ame ofa kofi or say whatever they've done to ya no crepa ofa we can choose to say master I need to write a book someday it's so sad no cre afi the South African can say I pray she talks one day no cre say omo nim na se no bom pai so mbeti na se ma se da kro nyame so tiase no bia less than makan and afi adwoadom yes and aday man of offense this year also share from Germany Bremen afi I defend and say that's they all jealous here I had dream pa my God man said don't worry 2028 one Ghana and God's son will vote for them I say more just a hard dream pa afi I defend in BM afi kwa abna say God will make way for the woman no crepa okay say from how things are going I'm starting to believe that my Mr. will carry an or that might distort their okay rituals if they allow her to go through the proper process of honoring the late Dad Lumba. Okay. Miss GP, I'll be in the initially it's better late than never. So what I say. Nina say you may no of course and since Zambia see yan sana reporter ya gather. This is like you may be cosono any a bit demon come kakra. To the sense venues bears a 4. Nina yan fa my mammy akosia sewa any teams of monfanya celebration of life. Afi I become one of them on cancel. Tiafi du baby ma aposi for kra na on beham so mo mpene mo nye dwumadi no ho reports Christ agada ne say aban mu nipa bi kra so ba o say on mpene mo nye ni na akoso a akopem the last meter nyame na ya dum to the 4 hours and a prepared place no eya dwumadi na ye na ide ni coach amansa eho ya no so tin na ye chem say srempanyi for ma me no onye bone bia ye srempanyi for o mo aman fa yi na yan fa nkabo mu ni odo nche o man no ekoba say beboa be ekoba say efa bi ye do fa bi tan fa bi dia na emwa and Sunday ni de na me de experience me hu bi Sunday no me hu bi omo yes Fatima anya asem keto Sunday no I was there so I saw what happened venue kura ombenya di dwumadi ho no anya asem keto ura na fa we see search na we just say some bibre anya se bia ma me akoso asa wa yo bi boni onye obi abon ti mo ma yemwa na yemfa odon tena as I do Yankopon, I won't tie with me at the Biarada. Do Yankopon, there is nowhere over tie with me. It's not mistress, a woman I am for don't now. Na ye mama pepe ye brother because there be a percent same with each other. They be because and so we are not to a twenty a queen. I told you this as from Jabba, a better as from Jabba, as from Jabba, just a pepe yaba. Pepe and Erisha say, yet it towards one side, and then we entered towards the other side. There be any coins about her. So my man so bon price da kro se be better nsem ase ko be na ntena se be na ntena nsem ase ti be na ba abedi na tan want se be ebedi na tan want interfere ni so e be cancel money dia fa na want interfere so but e bia wo a wonya bia odi na tan cancel dey fa na want interfere so se eye wona to wo a o ma me bi no na bi no a ka be di ya ma pa ti na ye nya bia ye se nya me se no amrem na ɔbɛ bibia nso ɛnya so bibia busuante yɛn nyinaa bɛpem asɛm di kɔp na osumi da ase sɛ ɔgye brɛ na ɔhwɛ kɔso ahwɛ by Ghost TV sɛ brɛ no kɔ nti wode yɛnkɔ na yɛnkɔ da nyame nka yɛn na ɔno ɔmɔ yɛn ho ban na ɔma ade pankyɛ wɔ yɛwura Yesu Kristo nim nti amen abusua. This is the last video here for the month of October. This is the last video here for the month of March. Nyame adom ɔkyena ɛyɛ 1st April. Nyame hu yɛn nyinaa mɔbɔ na ɔmfa yɛnwura 1st April month na yɛbɛwura mu no ɔmɔ yɛn ho ban na month yɛbɛwura mu April no ɔmɔ yɛnya n'anim adom. Adwoa ɛha adwen pa ɛha adwen Regina, yes my dear, goodbye. Yes ɛha adwen pa adwoa adom ɛha adwen pa but just nyame na mmerɛm. Yes. Afi Fatima was coming. Doing a great job watching from Saudi Arabia, Riyadh. Oh, okay. Yet Saudi Arabia phone now. What's it? Yeah, mom pie. Nyame na be because nyame nyen hwe ha sa. Nyame be hwe ha sa ma ne ma akoso sa akoso we da bi. Nyame fa ne bo onto ntem tie mere. Nyame na bebem na bibia ya so na pepepe ya ba. Obi akoma to ne. This afo so ba Ghana. Sa. Oba da be obo nso on take that. O said what for the way day. Over Ghana, there be on my washada. The Iran new month, Nyamiad Mochna. With the moon answer this month, was your time cheaper this month of March. So was your tie by Grace TV, you know. Mean came here. Mean to mash me pa. Now, I was statistics no. Magada countries near Shame pa, no me ba. And then the better ones are Mako. Countries no more by Grace TV pa. Yes. My just me gada facts now in from Puni. I was young me ba. Me yi fact na wasisi a me hwese metimi de atoso a na yenhwe okay adwadum just say very sad o and some akoso na dey very sad okay very sad very sad okay the me de toso a countries na hwe by Grace TV no yehwe month we country di first any country away ye na yento aso me de de atoso sisi a we are country when the Tasha by Grace TV pa very better so. You're all boy football. Now me find that much answer because this is our last video for the month. And you know, also we have to appreciate you. We have to appreciate you, remember. I want you fan. We are country when the first and a country when so and not every year. Okay, so where is it? Okay. So I'm fan to swear na yenhwe. Which country for the month of member fit to on. Member fit to okay, your boy fit to the anya yenhwe say. Your boy fit to there be member. Your boy fit to. Your boy fit to. Oh, there be. Your boy fit to. Boy fit to yenhwe. Your boy fit to. Your boy fit to. And I'm even free throw. But I'm free throw. Okay. I'm sure. Okay. But I'm free in the where is it? Okay, yeah, it's here. Okay, in here. This month of that's March. Almost shared by Grace TV by America for US for more. US for info. US for what percentage now? Strike percentage now. US for share by Grace TV 25.9%. 25. Okay, we move to okay. What shall I say? What shall I say for sure? Really, one word. And the question doesn't to be able home. And the way top say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Top 9. Okay, both with top 9. Almost toss 9. If we are seeing almost toss 9, a share by Grace TV by Belgium for moment 7. When I'm toss 9, Belgium, Antwerp, Belgium is a James as a yeah, Belgium for now 1.9%. Your views are now by Grace TV this month in 1.9% a Belgium for. I'm going to toss 9, top 9. Number 8 a France for when you to it. We don't have more for simple count. I don't know many arguing there, but I'll show me. Okay, now you, yes. Belgium for a top 9, Belgium for the way. I want to toss 9. It's Belgium for most starting shiny number number no. Emraso kaka. Malizi. When you grow Belgium for na monshana. Numbers no Emraso kaka. Na mo sign France for toss 8. France will 2.1%. Number 7 Netherlands. Netherlands for Amsterdam. Pia moments I na busia for me am na kunadu. Yo Amsterdam na no kan na my prempe. Omo Amsterdam. Netherlands for mom say when na so be board na pia na so be board. Nti Amsterdam Netherlands for also 7th. Number 7. Omo to 6. Italy. Italy for one for mom say when pia Italy for also 6. Italy for also 6. My idea. And yes, you want to Netherlands, ne France, ne Belgium. This month, yo, March here, charity will do. Let's say, mammy, I could say, I let out the bar one thing. Okay, what you say? I was a master to us, but also I was in tune, charity. Nina say, or say, the dean say, one better celebration of life on a hunting. Nippon will be venue and also encourage me. Only I can say, one for more never Jumadino. To be now, for venue now, mom, I feel crowd here. Police for crowd on behalf of one penny when you Jumadino. So, Emma 4 hours spend on me CC or because na omo omo ham so anti 4 hours no munya ya omo timi di ye dwumadi no an so me CC ho no omo di dwumadi no ma bibia ya asomtwe ti ase o kana kosema ofem so what you say charity that's the bottom line of it and we chem say obonya mempa is amafo betena asamase ko bebe na antena asamase ti no mu di na tem e kan sem when ye de fa na ho no na obon pa is nyame ya do no obi kwan ya that limba se court ma kwan so mo celebration of life if not that limba on that number bush for the album I celebration of life. That's the bottom line of Latin or other man. Also the Ghana for inance was will be ordering power pattern in Ghana main out of the answer. Why? Okay. Yes, I do exactly. Number 6, Italy. Italy for also 5th. Number 5, Canada. Canada for also 5th. But Italy for 4.1%. And Canada for also 5th, you know, so 4.8%. After number 4, also 4th. Germany. Josephine no name mama beti wayo me ama se mama beti wayo and then Germany for mbo mo se why are there. Yes, Germany for also 4th 9.9%. 9.9%. Number 3 yani Ghana for it also 3. Janet Azan Janet wa Italy on. Okay, Italy for what also that's 6, right? Number 3 it also 3 there. Yeah, Ghana for the boy and so it also 3. Ghana for number 3 it also 3. Number 2 edit safo na nabna ene the Bushan for your more UK Richmond. UK for also 2 seconds. The UK for one more Tamba. UK for also 2. Number 1, I want to be first. United States. USA for the Trump Bushan for the mean say one are there. Yes, and the USA for the D kind. Yeah, last month and as a month here we in March. Or more share no. USA for the US for the one I'm crying. Bushan. Nyame my month be near omo ekura title so obi abeyi omo anase omo daso kura omo ahenche no na yo UK for motor also two number 1 there number 1 United States for so there is here okay there was we there quick one and e buy ni na besom no nyame adom ye do bia asese magibre na ma hwe me setwe ni ampo nyankopon se omo yi na ho ban na bosumi ayi wura nyankopon ya adom chene onfa yi wura ma ho din ade be musuo ni esan de onye ni ebusuafo nyina mfim onkwae wona corrector by na se na o ma de nyina ni moye na ensie ye bosumi ebe remi insura bi ewom ne pa bi ewom no ye so hene honam na awura nyankopon se onfa nom ye na oma ye nye from onfa nom ye na oma ni nye yi maye nyame ma ye nsa no djuma nye yi onsura ye nsa no djuma bosumi eba be remi ade be ye owo ne yare amane enso hwe akwanhia amane hunu nyame nye mfim na o ma de nyina ni moye na ensie ye awo ye rad Yesu Kristo nti amen abusia me da mo ase pa me da mo nyina ase mo amohwe wa my way nyina so nyina abusia me da obi ase I appreciate you because enye easy say ye benya number say na mo na obehwe nti me da mo ase wate mo ba ne me mo na na me madara ma mo mfa me sa me foma na matete me na fe nyina bom ya hwe de twedi ampo nyankopon be awo Yesu nti amen we na choose amen komna pastor will see you sound asem obi aka chere pe o de yen hwe bibi anso nyame ye so ade nyina ewie ye ne Ewurade ade nyina na ewie ye ne Yehowa nti de mompa se nyame ti ase bibi abeyi so abusia nti I love you all. I appreciate you. This is the last video for the month of March tina me damase no me damase pa me damase wate mamo mre me ho me yakwada do bia bia mefum me yemfum so bebre me fum a me number there bia me video bia me number share video na se no afre me me ba e bia se ma o kan ye dia anya me de me ba anamonto otu dia anya me de tina bia menye se bia me sua de afrim na me ba hwese me nye sound so ne bia ni ni bom kakra ye nhwe ye yura ye hene Yesu ebe ni se nyame nti o se ko ketu amamu nsuro I mean, ticket to a better case. Eddie Asheni Dian Monyam. Oh, yeah, right. Yes, we amen. Timmy will be us. At least I see your message. I feel an abundance my home message, you know. And then who again, who again, who again, who again. Yes, at least of my kind of the and I see your message. And Obi the message by last minute here. I mean, to me, can you be ano? Who again? Janet Azan, Janet, so Italy, Janet. Yeah, Italy for me a guy. But also say sis. Is that Belgium for now? You Belgium for the book was Ariana. Belgium ne France I'm more place was yo because France beat Belgium 0.2%. We're 2.1 and Belgium 1.9. Yes, yes. Puma Rams over part now here. I know, right? Thank you so much for the love. I also love you, okay? I love you. I love all viewers of by Grace TV. I love all subscribers. Me dobia many so pa mate many so. Jimmy and Kaka share. And yes, Mama, the yehu bia and we are bem. The yehu bia no, MIM Paba. Nyame na abɛyɛ okay bible sɛ deɛ awurade abie so akyerɛ no yɛne yɛ madea ɛne hu bi no aso nyanteɛ deɛ awurade aka akyerɛ yɛdɛn yɛ bɛbɛm tumi yɛ didie ne yɛnkɔnkɔ anim na yɛdɛn yɛ ankyɛnkyɛ wɔ no afe ɛhyɛn bi bɛpie ɛwɔ mununkum no akyi nti